Looking for an affordable drone that packs premium features? Meet the new P8 aerial photography drone, a compact, foldable quadcopter built for smooth flying, smart safety, and stunning aerial shots. Right out of the box, the P8 drone feels surprisingly powerful for its size. When folded, it fits easily in your backpack, and once unfolded, it transforms into a stable aerial platform ready for action. The durable plastic body keeps it lightweight while still handling everyday flights with confidence. One of the biggest highlights here is the ESC dual camera system, delivering ultra-clear 8K video and sharp photos from the sky. With dual camera switching, you can change angles mid-flight, giving your footage more depth and creativity. Combined with 5G Wi-Fi FPV, you get real-time video transmission straight to your phone with minimal delay. Flying the P8 is smooth and beginner-friendly thanks to optical flow positioning. This feature keeps the drone hovering steadily even without GPS, making indoor and low-altitude flights much easier and safer. And when it comes to protection, the 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system is a game-changer, detecting objects in all directions and helping prevent unexpected crashes. The smart flight modes really elevate the experience. With one key return, the drone safely comes back when you're ready. Gesture photography lets you snap photos or start recording with simple hand movements. And intelligent follow mode allows the drone to track you automatically, perfect for action shots and travel videos. Powered by a 3.7-volt 1800 milliamp battery, the P8 drone delivers up to 25 minutes of flight time, giving you plenty of airtime to capture the perfect shot. Control it using the included remote or directly through the mobile app, with a control range that lets you explore wide-open spaces confidently. Overall, the P8 drone offers an impressive balance of performance, safety, and portability. Whether you're a beginner, a casual flyer, or someone getting started with aerial photography, this drone delivers advanced features at a surprisingly accessible level. If you're looking for a foldable drone with 8K camera quality, obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes, the P8 drone is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more drone reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!